Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I figure I would take you along in the removal process of my non-dominant hand, or I should say my dominant hand using my non-dominant hand. It always confuses me how people refer to this, but I'm using the hand that I don't usually use or show you in video. So this one, I wanted to take down most of the gel that I currently have on because we are going to encapsulate glitter, and glitter can get pretty bulky pretty quickly. So I'm taking a round top ceramic bit, and then I debulk most of the nails, and then I take this cone bit and kind of go in a little bit towards the sides a little bit more, because this is a little bit more of a safety bit for me, and I'm able to kind of get in there without really worrying about cutting myself if it kind of skips or kind of goes along the side of my cuticle. So now I'm taking that cuticle bit, going one direction, flipped it and going to the other direction. And now I am just taking that fine sanding band on the nails, and then we are prepped. Can you believe it? That was quick. So now I'm just taking a cloth, and you can see I tried to get all up in there. I use my nail to kind of scrape out any of the dust that is in there. And then we're gonna go on to Young Nails Protein Bond, which is my first time using it. So we'll see how I like it. And then we go in with our base coat. I use a couple different things. I use IBD gel at the beginning, and then I think I encapsulate with Jimmy gel, and these are the glitters I'm using. So yeah, you can use whatever clear gel you want. This I just got off Amazon. I can link it below for you guys. But I feel like I was really stingy with this clear gel for some reason. I don't know why. And when I put the larger pieces on, they didn't necessarily all stick, so I had to go back and add more gel and have them stick. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking a fluffy brush. Actually, what I should have done is went ahead and cured this and then added those larger pieces on top. So you can see me kind of put that on and then have the realization that it's not gonna lay flat. So what I'm doing is taking my other nail and bending it. But again, there's not much of the gel for it to stick on because I have all the other glitter on. So what I would do is apply your loose glitter first, cure it, and then come back in with this layer, put your larger pieces on, and then cure that, and then do your slip layer, and then build up that nail. All right, so we are going to repeat the process, and then I think I actually switched to Jimmy Gel because you guys know I love a builder in a bottle. So again, it really doesn't matter. Just use a clear gel. I think I switched to Jimmy Gel because it was a little bit runnier, so it could get kind of in the nooks and crannies of the glitter. So we are going to repeat this, adding the bigger pieces on top and then curing and encapsulating. All right, I decided to leave this in because what I'm doing is I'm taking in the sides of my nails. So I do not like that bulge on the side, you know, when it kind of has like that bubble effect. I've mentioned it in a couple of my videos. So I usually take a fine sanding band down the side, especially using my non-dominant hand, because it's a pain to file that away. So what I do with that first is take down those sides, and then I come in with that nail file and I get it the shape I want, and then again I refine where the kind of the bulge would happen on the side, and then buffed it, and now we have that top coat. Look at that. That's so satisfying. I absolutely loved this look, and I'm still wearing it. And I usually never wear nails longer than a couple days because of how many videos I film, but I just don't want to take these off. And so far the protein bond has done really well. I have one that may be lifting a tiny bit, but I think that's my fault. So all right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.